If you tried to drink a gallon of seawater, your body would shut down. If you planted a rose bush in a salty swamp, it would be dead by morning. Salt is the ultimate enemy of most life on land. But along the tropical coastlines of the world, there's a rebel. A tree that doesn't just survive in the ocean, it drinks it. Welcome to the world of the mangrove, the botanical miracle that turned the sea into its personal fountain.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Today, we're looking at the tree that drinks the sea. How do you drink salt water without dying? The mangrove uses a process that would make a NASA engineer jealous. Most species, like the red mangrove, have a specialized ultrafiltration system in their roots. Using a natural version of reverse osmosis, the roots create a high internal pressure. That allows water molecules through, but blocks 97% of the salt. It's a living desalination plant that runs on nothing but sunlight, but no filter is perfect. For the 3% of salt that sneaks in, the mangrove has a plan B that is pure drama. Some species move all their excess salt into a few specific leaves. These sacrificial leaves turn bright yellow as they fill with salt, and eventually, the tree just drops them into the ocean, effectively throwing out the trash. Other species, like the black mangrove, sweat the salt out through glands on their leaves. If you lick a mangrove leaf, it'll taste like a potato chip. Disclaimer, maybe don't go around licking trees. Drinking is only half the battle. Mangroves live in thick, sulfurous mud that has zero oxygen. To keep from suffocating, they've evolved pneumatophores, basically snorkels. These roots grow upward, poking out of the mud and into the air. They're covered in tiny pores called lenticels that inhale oxygen and send it down to the submerged parts of the tree. It's a forest that literally breathes through its feet. Mangroves don't just protect themselves, they protect everyone else. Their tangled prop roots act as a cage that keeps out big predators, making them the ultimate nursery for 75% of all tropical commercial fish. They are also the world's best coastal guards, absorbing up to 90% of a wave's energy during a storm or tsunami. And if that wasn't enough, they store up to 4 times more carbon than a typical rainforest. They aren't just trees, they're a global insurance policy. The mangrove thrives in a place where nothing else can, turning poison into potential. They remind us that adaptation isn't about finding the perfect environment. It's about mastering the one you're in. But as we clear coastlines for resorts and shrimp farms, we're losing our best defense against a rising ocean. If you had to choose a superpower based on a mangrove, would you rather have unlimited saltwater drinking or snorkel feet that let you breathe underwater? Let's settle this in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.